No matter how much you've already achieved, you will desire to continue making accomplishments in the future. I am compulsive with leaving a legacy and making a positive footprint and impact on planet Earth. You must think in terms of being everywhere, all at the same time, omnipresent. This is the kind of 10x mindset necessary to dominate your sector. If you commit to taking 10x actions consistently, followed up with more 10x actions, then I assure you that you will be propelled into situations where you will find yourself everywhere, all at the same time. The more attention you get, the more places you will be, the more people you are with, the more you can be everywhere.
When I was 16 years old and I couldn't help my mom, all I wanted to do was help my mom. The only reason I wanted money was I didn't want my mom to be scared. And I couldn't solve the problem. I told my mom when I was 16 years old, one day I'm going to become super successful, and when I do, I am not going to worry about money, and I'm going to help a bunch of people. My goal, our goal, my family's goal, my team's goal is to literally cover this planet, invest energy and resources in the entire planet. I'm going to go make friends all over the world. I want people all over the world to know my name, because if people don't know you, they can't flow you. If you want all the money in the universe to come your way, you got to get attention. You guys got to pay the price. Number one thing you got to do to guarantee your success is you have to understand this thing called the 10X rule. Look, my mission is to help people. There's a lot of great places, and what makes places great are the people. That's what I like, right? Meeting somebody I don't know that I actually might have helped somebody in another part of the world. I am committed. I am 10X. I want a 10X life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
An interesting thing about success is it's like a breath of air. Although your last breath of air was important, it's not nearly as important as your next breath. If you stop trying to succeed, it's like trying to live the rest of your life off the last breath of air.